Hello, myself Suhas R. I'll be explaining data parameterization. You might ask, what is data parameterization? Data parameterization is a feature that lets the user choose industry or user-specific regulatory value which will be used in BPL smart apps. Now, let's try to understand why data parameterization is used in banks. Usually, when Basel guideline changes, the associated variables along with those guidelines also change. So when the user wants to update to those new variables, they either have to do it manually or will have somebody else do it for them. This makes the overall experience for the user inconvenient. In general, most of the calculators available in the market are black boxes, and the business user has no option except to depend on the technical resources for the product. In fact, most of the product vendors create these dependencies purposefully. Keeping this in mind, let's have a look at our solution. BPL has consciously designed the calculator in a business user-friendly manner and gives full flexibility to the user to manage all the parameters involved in the calculation in an auditable manner. Now that we understood how data parameterization and calculations work, let's have a look at the demo of how intuitive it is for the business user to specify what he wants in credit risk. On selecting on all the required values in the orchestration page, for example, we can go to the parameterization page by clicking on this button. Here we can see all the values which have been taken from the orchestration page, and when you click on search rules, we get all the rules which follow this particular combination. For the in-depth information about one of the rules, when you click on this and do view rules, we get in-depth information, and here we have both dependent variable and independent variable. Dependent variables are editable in this case. Let's edit one of the value, and when you click on update, it's getting updated in the backend as well, and when you click on proceed, you go to the last received page.